Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahamed. Today I'm going to unbox the Apple 20 volt dock where the most of the newer iPhones are charged by, where it's a fast charging dock, and you can use this for iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro Max and those newer phones. But it has some disadvantage too. One of its major disadvantage is the battery health of your phone will be decreased very soon when it compares to the older 5 volt or the 15 volt charger. First it came 5 volt, that is used from, I guess, from the beginning of Apple iPhones like 3GS, 4S, 5S. From those period the Apple was using the 5 volt, then upgraded to 15 volts and 18 volts when they are coming to iPhone 11, and now they have come up with 20 volt chargers where it will be charging very fast. And let's go to unboxing. And guys, this is the box that comes for the 20 volt charger. In the front we can see the Apple logo, and in the side it says it's compatible with the iPhone and Apple Watch and iPad. And in the back it says it's USB-C. And now we will go to the unboxing. Now they are using the paper wrapping. Before they were using the polythene because it's not eco-friendly. Now they have switched to paper wrapping. And now let's take the adapter out. And this is the adapter, which is covered by paper wrap, and they have given with some paperwork which no one reads. This is the adapter. The plugs are foldable and it's good because it's easy to travel when you are using. Focus, yeah. And this is it has a nice clicky sound which I like. And it has a nice design in the sides which we can hold it very safely. And they are using the USB-C. And let's take out the USB-C to lightning cable which has provided by to my phone, iPhone 11. You can see that video in the card. And this is the lightning. Yeah. This is the package that you can use to charge the phone. Thank you guys. Now you saw the unboxing of Apple 20 volt charging adapter. Please subscribe, like and share. We'll see in a new video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.